Hello everyone, my name is John from AMBOHR. The product we have today is the AMBOHR Desktop Air Purifier. Simple, beautiful, effective and powerful product. This product generates negative ions to cleanse dust in the air, allowing indoor atmosphere to become fresh and clean. It also removes indoor pollutants such as PM 2.5 and formaldehyde. The product can be used in the office, bedroom, living room, workshop, hotel and many more places. Let's take a look at the product. The packaging contains one instruction manual, the product itself, and a power cable. On the top of the product, we have the air outlet, the power button, and an LED light indicator, including a night light. Around the base of the product, we have the air inlet, and at the bottom is where we put the air filter. We take it out by gently rotating the base. The filter has 4 layers: a primary filter, a silver antibacterial layer, European H12 level HEPA filter, and an activated carbon. The product's weight is 1.8 kilograms. Start by connecting the product to its power inlet and the plug into the power socket. Pressing the power button once puts the product in sleep mode, and the blue indication light will light up 1/3 of the indication light set circle. In this mode, the night light will go on and the unit will automatically go off after 8 hours. Pressing the power button twice puts the device in medium speed mode and turns off the night light and timer. Pressing the power button the 3rd time puts the product in high speed mode. Pressing the power button the 4th time will turn off the unit. The product can be disconnected from the power socket after use. This product covers an area of up to 20 square meters and has a clean air delivery rate of 130 cubic meters per hour. When the filter needs replacing, the product's LED lights will flash. This will happen when the product's running time has reached 2,000 hours. For product information, customization, purchasing, and more, please visit our website okayozone.com or AMBOHR, which is AMBOHR.com. Don't forget to subscribe, and remember, you make requests, we do the rest.